Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not enough disk space for installation. The first step is to check your current available disk space. Navigate to your computer's storage settings to see how much free space you have. Remember, Roblox requires a minimum of 729 megabytes, so ensure you have at least that much, or preferably more, for a smooth installation process. Once you know your current space, it's time to free some up. Start by uninstalling any programs you no longer use. Next, go through your Downloads folder and delete large, old files. Don't forget to empty your recycle bin afterwards to permanently remove them. For very large media files, consider moving them to an external hard drive to quickly gain significant space. For more advanced space recovery, clear out temporary files using your operating system's built-in tools. These files can accumulate over time and take up valuable space. You might also use a disk analysis tool to visually identify which folders are consuming the most storage. Always aim for more than the minimum 729 megabytes to ensure Roblox and your system run efficiently. To prevent this issue in the future, make it a habit to regularly review and manage your installed applications and files. Keep your Downloads folder tidy and delete unnecessary items promptly. Maintaining at least a few gigabytes of free space is a good practice for overall system health. This proactive approach ensures smooth installations and updates for all your applications, including Roblox.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.